this is Andrea. Today we're gonna be unboxing toys.
Yeah.
I got this one online, might selling.
Yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. Hello, this is Andrea. Today we're gonna be unboxing toys.
Yeah.
I got this one online, might selling.
Yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday.
And it was delivered.
Yeah, it
so
was delivered.
Can you show them what you got?
I got a baby unicorn marshmallow. It feels like it. And it even has unicorn horn and rainbow hair.
You like it?
Yeah. And I even got a Ragdoll pink bunny.
Why you got two?
Because one is for Auntie Gigi.
Okay.
I want this one and Auntie Gigi will have this.
Okay. And what else you got?
And I also got this large unicorn pillow.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, I can even lay down on it. I'll use it for my sleep.
Okay.
Okay?
And what else do you have
I
here?
got the
Wow.
whole set of My Little Pony. Pinkie Pie.
Can you show who are those? What's their name?
This one is
No,
Twilight.
you start from here.
Okay, this one is Rarity. This one is Rainbow Dash, but I don't know why he has pink hair. This is Twilight with pink hair also. This is Pinkie Pie with pink hair because she's supposed to have it. And this is Fluttershy with pink hair. She's used to have it. And this is Applejack with pink hair. He don't really need it.
But who's your favorite among them? Can you show their back?
Look, they even have tails.
Wow.
Look.
Who is your favorite among all of them?
Pinkie Pie and Rainbow Dash.
Why do you watch that My Little Pony?
Because it's fun and it's all about friendship.
Oh, you like that?
Yeah.
You get something from it. You learn something from
Yeah.
it.
And
Oh.
this says magic.
Do you like all of it?
Yeah.
Okay, you say thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye.